The Prophet responded with kindness, leading Abu Mahdura radiallahu ta'ala anhu to embrace Islam and become one of its most devoted followers.
What happened, Raya? Why are you laughing? Today in my classroom, one of my friend Hussein was trying to recite Quran, and we all were laughing.
Oh no, son, no, no, no. You must not laugh at your classmates. I have a story for you. A story of Sahabi. The name of Sahabi is Abu Mahdura radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. You know, Abu Mahdura, a young man who mocked the Azan, make fun of Azan, but later embraced Islam. Here is the detailed story. Listen carefully. The story of Abu Mahdura. Abu Mahdura radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was a young boy from Makkah. After the Muslims had conquered Makkah, Islam began to spread quickly. Abu Mahdura and some other youths were not Muslims at the time. One day they heard a Muslim giving the azan, the call to prayer, and started mocking and imitating it as a joke. Their mocking was overheard by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Instead of getting angry, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam called Abu Mahdura to come to him. The Prophet recognized that despite the mocking, Abu Mahdura radiyallahu ta'ala anhu had a beautiful voice. The Prophet's reaction now, in an unexpected turn of events, instead of scolding him, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam showed him kindness and understanding. He gently means Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gently placed his hand on Abu Mahdura's chest and head. Okay, then prayed for him. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also prayed for him. This act of compassion touched Abu Mahdura deeply and it completely changed his heart. He felt a sense of calm and peace, and his previous hostility and mockery disappeared. Abu Mahdura immediately embraced Islam and became a sincere follower of the Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His mocking of the Azan turned into something far more meaningful. He was chosen to become the Muezzin. Abu Mahdura was chosen to become the Muezzin, the caller to prayer for Makkah. From that day on, Abu Mahdura radiallahu ta'ala anhu became known for his beautiful and powerful voice in calling the Azan, playing a significant role in spreading the message of Islam in Makkah. Now listen, key lesson of that story. This story illustrates the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam remarkable ability to win hearts through mercy. Through mercy. So you people must show mercy to your friends. You people are Hafiz Quran. It's good, great. Allah give you this reward, but you must not make fun of anyone. Now listen. Instead of punishment or anger, the Prophet responded with kindness, leading Abu Mahdura radiallahu ta'ala anhu to embrace Islam and become one of its most devoted followers. Okay, thank you. Jazakallahu khair.